Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me as I continue along with the restoration of my R32 GTR. The next portion of this restoration is concerned with repairing the rocker panels, the floorboard, and the inner sills from damage that they received from jack stands, jacks, and probably body lifts. This is damage that any R32 owner is probably all too familiar with, and my car is certainly no exception to that rule. The damage on my chassis is rather severe, and it's likely going to take a while for me to fix. That being said, this repair is going to be documented over the course of several different videos, so stay tuned. To get this whole process started, I first need to set up a temporary jig to actually pull the damage from underneath the car. I would like to first pull the seam weld back down into its original position, as this will make repairing the floorboard, sill, and rocker panel much easier once I remove the rocker panel from the car. So if you follow along for a few minutes, I'll show you how to build a super simple setup which can be used to pull the damage out from underneath a GTR, or any other chassis that you may be repairing. So there it is, guys. That's my home built jig that I'll be using to pull the damage out from underneath the car with. If you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them.